Assalamu alaikum and Shubhecha for other communities. I am Mohammad Abdul Hamid, Assistant Teacher, Siddishi High School, Fulbari Dinajpur. Dear learners, how are you today? I hope you all are well by the grace of Allah, by the grace of Almighty. Okay, dear learners, welcome to my English class. Dear learners, I will discuss from English grammar one important item or thing which is called the heart of a sentence or English language. The thing is called the heart of a sentence or English language. Can you tell me about the thing, dear learners? Of course, I think you all know about this. This is nothing but verb. That means today I will discuss on verb. That means classification of verbs. Okay, I wanted to know from you about this thing. Please, learners, have you taken your exercise book and pen with you? If you have taken, please try to note down the things I am writing on the blackboard, and in next time, in your leisure time, you will be able to take help from your exercise book. Okay, dear learners, of course you know what is verb. Verb is a word we use in a sentence. Verb is a word we use in a sentence, can express or expresses any action, any activity. That means the word which in বাংলা সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে এমন একটি ওয়ার্ড থাকে যেটি কোনো না কিছু করা, কোনো কিছু না কিছু হওয়া, অথবা কোনো না কিছু থাকা, এই গুলি ইন্ডিকেট করে, প্রকাশ করে, সেটিকে আমরা ভার্ব বলি। Dear learners, I think you have got the idea of verb. Now I would like to discuss on the classification of verbs. Dear learners, as you are the students of class 9 this year, you know a lot about the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English language. Among these, verb is one. You know about the classification of verbs. There are many kinds of verbs, such as regular verb, irregular verbs. That means strong verbs and weak verbs. And I would like to discuss on classification of verbs. Which classification is very effective for you to learn English well. Please, dear learners, I will draw a diagram here about the classification of verbs and look at the blackboard very carefully, very attentively, and try to note down in your exercise book. Dear learners, look very carefully. Finite verb and non-finite verb. Finite and non-finite. That means we can classify the verbs into two mainly. At first, one is finite, another is non-finite. You can pronounce this in finite or non-finite as you like. Now, again, principal, auxiliary. Its another name is main verb and its another name is helping verb. That means principal or main, auxiliary or helping. Dear learners, look at here. Infinitive. Participle. And the last one is gerund. Gerund. Again, we can classify the principal or main verbs into two. Transitive and intransitive. Transitive and intransitive. Auxiliary, we can divide it or classify the auxiliary verbs into two. Primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary and modal. Okay, here non-finite verb, infinitive, participle and gerund. We can classify the participle into three. One is present present participle as past participle and the last one is perfect participle. Perfect participle, in short, participle. Dear learners, come to transitive verb again. Transitive verb, we can classify a transitive verb into four. One is causative verb, another is reflexive, the third one is reciprocal, the last one is factitive. Okay, dear learners, you have got a large diagram and the perfect and complete classification of verbs. At first, we can classify the verbs into two: finite, non-finite, finite verb and non-finite verb. That means you can pronounce it finite verb and non-finite verb. Then we classified finite verb into two. One is principal or main verb, another is auxiliary or helping verb. Again, principal verb, we can classify the principal verbs into two. One is transitive verbs and another is intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs, we can classify the transitive verbs into four again. One is causative verbs, another is reflexive verb, the third one is reciprocal verb, and the last one is factitive verb. Dear learners, now come to non-finite verb. We can classify non-finite or non-finite verbs into three mainly. One is infinitive, two is participle, and three is gerund. We can classify the participle into three again. One is present participle, another is past participle, and the last one is perfect participle. Dear learners, there is a elaborate and vast discussion for you, waiting for you, but I think it is impossible for me to complete the discussion within short time. That's why I will give you a vague idea or a little idea about finite and non-finite verbs. Then I will finish my class. Okay, dear learners,